Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect to a PTZ Optics camera through a network in OBS. And this is actually very simple, very easy to do. So, the first thing you'll need is a application called Upgrade. And you can get Upgrade from the PTZ Optics website at ptzoptics.com/firmware. And it's this tool right here. And what you do is you can download any one of these if you have a Mac or Windows. I go with version 2.8. So once you download that, install it, and then run it, and this will pop up. Before you do this, though, before you continue with your journey here, go to your, make sure you have your PTZ Optics connected to the same network as your PC or laptop or any device, and also make sure that it's actually on. Okay. So up here, interface, you'll want to select your internet. It has to be a local internet with the same IP address. The first 3 digits has to be the same IP address is the router or IP that your camera is. So you select that and press search, and I have one camera connected to this IP so far. So they'll pop up here, and it's already got its own IP. So you'll right click on it and press config. It'll take you to this window here, and it's usually set to DHCP, but you'll want to switch it to manual so that it doesn't change the IP every single time your router restarts. And it'll just change the last 3 digits here to whatever you want, but make sure it's not that those last 3 digits aren't something else on your network. Okay, then press set. It'll say set success. Success. Okay, from here you'll want to switch to your browser. You'll also want I forgot to tell you that. You'll want to copy your IP address. Okay, so after you copy your IP address, you'll want to switch to a new browser Chrome and put in your IP address. And I've already did it here. It'll come up to this page right here. So the default password and username is admin. So you just sign in. It'll come up to this page. And from here, you can, let's see here. You can use VLC to view your video, video settings here, image settings here, audio settings. We're not going to get into all that today. But what you do want to make sure is that under the system settings, it's RTSP. So that means that it'll stream your video. Not any of these, but RTSP straight. And then press reboot. And then press OK. And as soon as this reboots here, which it will, it takes about a minute. Once it reboots, then we can go to our OBS. Okay, it'll do that. Okay, press refresh. Resend. And it'll take a little while here to do its boot up dance. Let's restart. Resend. press live. Okay, so it did. So it rebooted. Now what you want to do is go to your OBS. So I just have a blank window with a couple scenes here. We're not going to worry about any of those. So you create a new scene and press the plus button here. And then you'll put in media source. And I'm just going to name this RTSP camera stream. You can name it whatever you want. And you'll want to uncheck the local file and put the input to RTSP : / and then your IP address for your camera. So I go back here to the browser, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, go back to my OBS here, paste that in, get rid of the HTTP here, and then after your IP address put a / and then put the number 1. And reconnect delay, tone that down to 1 second here. And you also want to check use hardware decoding when available. Okay, press OK. And here's our camera stream from our camera. And so that's how you connect it in OBS. Controlling. To control this in OBS, I haven't actually found a good suitable way in OBS to control the camera. But you can control it using this application here. So you'll go back to your search, press search. Here's this. Right click on it, and then see this pop-up that says preview. So press preview. I'll switch to this. So then you already put in the IP address and the port. And all you have to do is press connect. Once it's connected, you can control your stream. And here, I'll make this window smaller so you can see that it's changing in the background here. There we go. Make this a small window so that's like only our controls. Okay, and so back here it will change as you control it. There is a bit of a delay, so I wouldn't use this for a live stream. Okay, and that is how you connect to a PTZ Optics camera through a network in OBS. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe.